Slack is a messaging app for businesses that connects people to the information they need by bringing people together to work as one unified team. Slack transforms the way organizations communicate. Working in a team, then make sure you are on the same page with your colleagues and make decisions more quickly by bringing all of your work communication into one place. Automatically send messages to your Slack channels when your online form is submitted. With the Slack Direct integration, it is now easy to integrate your forms to send a message to a channel, send a direct message to a team member, or add a reminder. It is easy to connect your paper form to your Slack. Here, we can see I've used Paperform's vacation request form. When an employee lodges their request, I want to notify the correct team member through Slack. So let's look at how we can achieve this. Please note that before we set up the integration, we will need to run a test submission on our form. This is so the integration can test real data. From the form editor, I'll head up to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. And below Direct Integrations, I'll click on the Slack icon. This will bring up the options we have to send a message to a channel, send a direct message, or add a reminder. For this example, I'm going to select to send a message to a channel. Once clicking this, we'll open the integration setup. From here, we're prompted to connect our Slack account. Simply click the Add Account button. Once clicking the button, a new window will open asking us to authorize connection between our Paperform and our Slack. Click Allow. Then a drop-down menu will appear with the channels we have within our Slack account. I'm going to select my vacation channel, and then I'll need to configure the message that is sent to that channel. We could leave the default, or we could even use the process of answer piping to display responses from our submitter. I'm going to use the name, then type has requested leave from start date, that's my first date question field, and end date, that's my second date question field. We'll then click send test and jump onto our Slack channel. And voila, we can see the Paperform has successfully sent that message to my Slack channel. Click finish setup, and we're done. If we scroll down, we have the ability to turn off our integration or click on the cogwheel icon to once again configure that setup. We hope this has been a helpful video, and if you'd like to learn how to connect any other of your platforms, be sure to drop a comment below. Good luck and happy form making.